So what is going on, guys? My name's Jamie and welcome back to Officially Gassed. Guys, when I say I'm officially gassed today, literally I am gassed. Just look behind me. Today we're going to be reviewing a Lamborghini Huracan Performante. This is unreal. Guys, I don't even know what to say. This is just going to be lit. So stay tuned and let's get it.
Let's do it. Perfect.
So guys, look, I've done a little bit of homework on this car. I mean, just look at this. I don't really know what to say. This is the 5.2 litre. It's V10, naturally aspirated. Love it. It hasn't went turbo like the Ferraris and the McLarens. So, you know, for the purists, they absolutely love this. Being a Performante, it's got about 630 brake horsepower. It's about 30 brake horsepower more than a standard Huracan. As if it needed any more. Oh guys, this is absolutely nuts. 0 to 60 time on this is about 2.9 seconds. Just to put that into perspective, that is the same as a Lamborghini Aventador SV. Guys, up until I think it was this year, this was the fastest car around the Nürburgring. Done it in a mad time, under 7 seconds, and that's quicker than the 918, which, putting it into perspective, the 918 is about 4 times the cost of this car. This car, for cost wise, this costs around £215,000 starting. So it's not cheap at all. I believe that's about £80,000 or £70,000 more than your standard Huracan. So again, to put that into perspective, that's pretty much like a brand new full spec BMW M3 competition pack on top. It's got a top speed of 202 miles an hour, guys. It's ridiculous. This car weighs around 1,380 kilograms, and that's 37 kg lighter than your stock Huracan. Part of that is down to this carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's crushed carbon fiber. It's Lamborghini's kind of new thing. They leave it unpainted, so you can see it's everywhere, guys. All over the rear diffuser, front diffuser. I believe they call it forged composite or something along those lines. Massive weight savings. This rear wing, it's actually hollow, and I'll show you guys in a bit, but it actually works with aerodynamics. So let me show you guys the inside of this car. Looks amazing. I don't know if you can see, you got the green stitching going down. Again, you've got the forged carbon composite running all throughout the cabin, guys. This is just crazy. Looks like a spaceship. Amazing. I love the green accents on the dash, on the seats and on the steering wheel. Amazing. Just to let you know a few quirky things about this car. The indicators are actually on the steering wheel. So you do a little left and a right and you cancel by pressing the button in the middle. You've got all the sport modes right here on the steering wheel too. Guys, this steering wheel feels lovely. It's the Alcantara steering wheel. You've got big real crushed carbon composite flappy paddles there. Just, guys, look at this. You know, it absolutely looks like a fighter jet. The start button, as you can see, absolutely amazing. You know, quirky thing again for reverse, you kind of just pull this back and it bangs you into reverse. Sat nav and everything like that is actually displayed straight through the screen, a bit like the Audi dynamic screen or whatever they call it, but this is a sister company to the Audi, so you'd imagine it to have certain similarities. But guys, yeah, no, this is just amazing. Back to some of the aerodynamics. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but what it's got active aerodynamics. So basically the air flows all the way through the front of the car, and it can basically actively channel it depending on the needs for downforce all the way up to the rear spoiler. So basically it runs through this channel I don't know if you can see in there, but basically there's a valve and it runs up inside this spoiler, which is actually hollow. And I don't know how well you can see that again, but basically the air will flow out of these vents here, allowing to adjust the downforce. And guys, just look at this engine bay. Look at that. Is this not the thing that dreams are made of? I mean, come on guys. Big old V10 just sitting there, man, right behind your head. And so guys, I just thought I'd show you the brakes on this. I mean, the rear brakes on this are about twice the size of the front brakes of my Golf R. Not that I should ever compare the two or even use the same two in the same sentence, but yeah, you've got carbon ceramics as standard on these cars. Look amazing. And as for the fronts, just look amazing. Guys, look at those wheels. And those wheels also, they're weight saving. I believe they're 20s on the front and you've got 21s on the rears. Look at the size of those calipers. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but there's a sparkle in that green too and it looks amazing. Guys, I'm literally blown away. Oh man. So, am I manual?
Yeah, no, we're putting on auto.
Jeez, straight away, bro. Just the weight of the steering.
Yeah, you'll feel all the bumps.
Guys, what can I say? Mom, I'm driving a Lambo. I made it. And it's got 7 gears, right?
Yeah.
So it's got a dual clutch, 7-speed transmission on this, yeah?
Correct.
Sick. So Strada is the chill mode.
Chill mode.
I'm gonna bang it into sport, yeah?
Yeah.
And you can hear it drops a gear. So if I touch the pedal, it will automatically go into manual, yeah?
No, so, oh yeah, but it'll still say also unless you press M and then it'll be fully manual. But if you go into Corsa, it'll automatically go straight to manual.
Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna...
But you can, while you're doing that, you're still controlling it right now, yeah?
Ooh, just a little growl, boy. Bro, I'm nervous.
We need some open road.
I know, yeah, guys, we're gonna get some open roads in a sec, but just to let you guys know, this is pretty much like driving a house. If anything were to go wrong, I'd have to sell mine and probably go and live in the woods, or sell my arse or something like that. I don't know. But bro, thank you so much for coming down and letting me drive this amazing beast. It's just crazy, man. It's so direct, like. What can I say? Like, guys, it's like, what I've got to say is it's really hard for starting out as a YouTuber. It's hard to get people to come down and do reviews on their cars. Like, it's hard enough getting someone to come down in a 30 grand hot hatch. And Neil next to me, he's absolutely blown me away with his generosity. He's come down with a car the price of a house, and here I am driving it. So hats off, man. Guys, keep liking, sharing and subscribing, and one day, you never know, I could own one of these. This is mad. I just like the sounds of it though. Bro, the power is so linear. Being like naturally aspirated, there's just power all the time,
yeah,
isn't it?
That's it.
It's an experience. I literally feel right now like I'm in a fighter jet, bro.
Yeah.
All the toggle switches and just that's the thing about this. Also, guys, I've got to say about these cars, like, you might be able to soup up a car, a Golf, a BMW, and make it go faster than a Lambo, but you're not going to get the full experience. These things are like pieces of artwork, like, you know, it's unbelievable. I mean, those who have driven one might know, and we've got a bit of open road now, so. Oh my god!
does put a smile on your face, though.
Bro! Oh my god, I'm so happy. So are we still in Mexico? So I'm gonna fly down this way.
Yeah.
I don't need a stereo.
No.
If I've got a car like this, I don't need a stereo. This is, mate, I'm lost for words. Now, in this mode, in sport, are we in the kind of, we're not in the most aggressive mode, are we?
No.
So, if I put it in Corsa, do things get louder?
So that's why I usually drive around in sport, because I think I feel the best sound. But yeah, if you drop into sport, then you see the dash will change as well. I don't know if they can see that.
Don't know if you guys can see this, but fuck it. Bro, it feels like I'm in a computer game. Look at that dash. Let's put my foot down. So now, we're in manual, like full
That's
manual.
it, full manual.
So in Corsa, full manual. So I'm going to drop it. Turbo's coming in. It's like
once more.
There's even more. There's like a second boost of power. This is ridiculous, man. This is ridiculous. Guys, what am I doing right now? This is. Oh my god. I'm short shifting the hell out of it too, guys. I'm too scared to hold up. He's probably thinking, what a pussy, but fuck it hell, man. Oh, God. First supercar I've ever driven, and for someone coming out of, let's say, a Golf R just to step in this, when driving it in sport and it's in kind of fully automatic mode, this thing is easy to drive. But if anything, that's testimony to what they've built. The performance cars of yesteryear, the supercars of, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago, it was like a workout. You had to properly know how to drive to be able to.
That's it. And this has even got the comfort seat option.
I think so. This has got comfort seat.
Yeah, these are the comfort seats.
I did notice it was electric and everything.
Yeah, exactly. So the other option is the carbon bucket seats.
Okay.
But with that, people say like more than 20 minutes and
it's game over for your ass.
It's game over. That's it. So this is the comfortable option.
Bro, crazy. Go around the corner at stupid speed.
Exactly, yeah. That's what I mean. You feel like you maybe can't do it, but it can, yeah.
Oh, bro, the gear shifts on this. You can't even feel it changing gear. No. It's just, but when it does, it's crazy. It's crazy. It is crazy. I'm gonna bang it back into Corsa just because why not? Got a G meter.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous. So guys, look, that's a wrap. I mean, what can I say, guys? Reviewing a Huracan Performante. I mean, what can I say? Guys, this is probably, no, not even probably, definitely the best car I've ever been in, let alone driven, the fastest, most dynamic, and all of that. It's ridiculous. I'm kind of still pinching myself. This is crazy. Neil, bro, thank you so much, bro. That is an experience. Mate, you're a top lad. If you enjoyed today, you know, go and check out some of my other content. I'm sure you'll like that too. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. So guys, there you have it. I thought I would just add this little bit of extra at the end just to kind of express what a car this is. Guys, I'm kind of still shaking. It's been such an opportunity today. You know, just the generosity of the owner to come down and actually let me drive this car has been amazing. As I say, it's a true weapon. So guys, I really hope it translated well in the video. And I hope you enjoyed it. Also guys, if you're into your cryptocurrency and things like that, the Bitcoin investment group is owned by the fellow who owns this car here. Great deals and everything like that. So make sure you check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description. So yeah guys, once again, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.